I want to show you how to make this adjustable sliding lariat. A lariat necklace has two tassels in the front and no clasp. I'm going to use silicone filled bead like this. And basically I've cut a length of chain and make sure that it's long enough so that it can go over your head. And I've taken one side and threaded a piece of wire through it so that I will use it as my guide to go through the bead like this, one side, and I'm just going to go over the other side like such. And pretty much see how nicely it just slides, and it keeps its spacing because the silicone is very grippy. So now basically I am ready to add the other side. The other drop. There you have it. And you can embellish this further by wrapping stones on top of the silicone bead. There are variations of this bead on the market and they're affordable. You can purchase them online. I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this text, or you can also purchase them at a jewelry supply store near you.